All right, Savannah. Come on back, girl. All right, we're going to do a little video. Tell everybody who we are.
All right, ready? And go.
Hi, we're Endless Sommers, and we'd like to introduce ourselves to you. We're coming to you from Padre Island. This is our first video, but we wanted to introduce ourselves and let you know a little bit about us. And this is Winston.
This is our boy wiener dog. This is Winston.
And
We think he's about 12, maybe 13 years old. We adopted him from the Humane Society back in Austin. And this is Savannah. She's from Weatherford, Texas. She is 11.
Yeah,
and
11.
These dogs are our travel companions, and they do really good traveling.
James and I started camping basically in our van that we purchased, and it was like a second vehicle, but it was a convection van.
Conversion van. She always gets that wrong.
Conversion van.
Convection, like a convection oven.
Yeah, that's
Get a load of this one.
Anyway, we started there when we were first together, and then we got us a little camper. We named it Ruby, and we had that for about 4 years, and we did, pretty much just weekend trips, and we did a couple long trips down to the coastline, which is about 3.5 hours from Austin. And we actually thought, we could probably live in this. We seen like driving and driving. They're in a 16-footer.
Gone with the winds.
Yeah, they were in a motorhome just like this one.
Nomadic fanatic.
Yep, and he's been from van to Class C.
Class C.
Yeah. So we thought we could live in ours. It was 20 foot, 20 something feet. Anyway, so we did it. We put stuff in storage and we stayed in it for 3 months. And I don't know if it was the timing or the size of it or what.
The location, where we
yeah,
were.
Yeah.
It just didn't.
It didn't set well with us at all.
It didn't set well. It might have been a combination of all three things. So fast forward a little bit, and we started downsizing some more, and started looking at. We started looking at something bigger, and so we didn't know if we were going to go with like a fifth wheel or a bigger travel trailer, a Class A. We weren't really sure, so we just started looking around.
With no rush.
Yeah, we weren't
nothing in mind.
Yeah, nothing in mind really. And then we ended up buying this 38-foot Class A Fleetwood Bounder, and then here we are. We went on the road, went down to left Austin, went down to the Florida Keys, and on the way back we decided, you know what, we could probably do this full time. Tracy was already. She was ready to do it before we left. She was ready to sell everything and just do it. But I kind of wanted to go on that 4.5, 5 month trip that we went on to see if it was something I truly liked. And I did. I loved it, being able to, see different places, meet all these different people. And so once we got back, we had to sell everything. We were still living in a 1-bedroom apartment. We had downsized. All the way down to a 1-bedroom apartment, but we still had a lot of stuff that we had to get rid of. Anyway, that's a little bit about ourselves. What we're hoping to do with this channel is, document our travels.
Well, because I was doing a written journal on our small trip in January, but referring back to it, then coordinating the pictures with the writing. We figured that this way would be easier for us to look back on, as well as, share it with you guys and our family.
Yeah, we're just going to try to document, some of our day-to-day life, some of the places we go, some of the places we see. And then, we'll show you some of the things that we have to do each day to, on travel days, stuff like that, to get ready to go and to get hooked up. It's not always fun, and we'll show you both sides of it.
Well, I guess since this is our first video, we'll kind of see how it turns out and hopefully get back to you. We're gonna try out like one a week for now, and get our toes wet, if you will, and see.
Toes, feet wet. Get our feet wet. And our toes. I mean, because our toes are on our feet. So, yeah.
This is life with him constantly. Anyway, but it makes it fun. So I guess this will be good for now, and we'll see you guys later. And
If you want to follow along, we have this YouTube channel here, Endless Sommers. We're also on Facebook, Instagram. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, that'd be great. Give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and make sure you hit the little bell so that you get an alert each time we upload a new video. And I guess that's about it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye, everybody.